Kellofaplan has a new release to help us get our budget under control. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I want to share with you the brand new budget release from Kellofaplan. All of these budget goodies are going to release on September the 26th. That's this Friday. That'd be 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. There are a lot of goodies. So we have a Undated Budget Planner. We have some refill pages. We have new dividers, which are super cute. An envelope system that I can't wait to show you, and then 2 new sticker books. So we're going to dig into all of it. Don't forget, if you decide to shop this release, I do have an affiliate link down in the description box. Doesn't cost you any more, but really does help me out when you are able to shop that link. All right, let's dive in. All right, we're going to start with the Undated Budget Planner. Very cute. Heather always does such a fantastic job. This is a classic size or grande size planner. That's kind of the medium size. The front cover says, "Take control of your money before it takes control of you." And you have beautiful illustrations. Here's the back. It says, "The more your money works for you, the less you have to work for money." Ooh, I like that. And then stripes on the inside, all fun. And just so you know, you can take these, if you don't like the words on the front, you can take this and put it on the front, switch to covers, and go with it that way. So it's kind of up to you which way you like to have it. All right, so let's do a flip through of this planner. This is your year, planning a life I love, beautiful illustrations, annual financial goals. This year I want to, how I will achieve this goal, and then kind of breaking down the goal, or breaking down how you're going to work towards that goal throughout the year. Yearly recurring expenses. This is awesome to keep track of because you might have something that you only pay for once a year and it takes you by surprise each year. This is a chance to kind of track that and check them off as they come so you can plan for it. And then your yearly bill tracker. So the bills that come out every month, you have the due date, date paid, and amount, and then you can just track it through the whole year. I guess that's kind of cool to see how it changes through the year, like your electric bill, your water bill, things like that. That's kind of a cool way to do that. Subscription tracker. You have your monthly subscriptions, quarterly subscriptions, and annual subscriptions. Pay in for tracker. Items purchased. Oh, so when you're paying in chunks, like you're paying, 4 payments towards something. Interesting. I've never seen one of those before. Here's debt tracker. So you have my debt goals, and then you list out the debt name and then how much you're paying off per month, and then a reflection. Love the yearly ones. I think those are really helpful. Retirement savings, donations to charity. And then lined. I love the kind of overview. I think these pages are particularly helpful just to keep track of things throughout the year that can be really easy to overlook. Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a big ship. Yes, I understand that. Okay, here's your monthly budget. You have the month. Here's the income, variable expenses, bills and fixed expenses, debt and summary. There's your monthly calendar. Maybe you're writing out the days that you are getting paid on here or when bills are due. And then weekly. A monthly expense tracker, date, purchase, paid with, amount, and then a weekly budget. So I think this would be like how much you're spending when. I kind of dig that it's open because you have this kind of checklist over here and then these categories where you can track some different things. It's not over labeled, if you know what I mean, so that you can just make it work for you. There's your weekly budget, and then 30-day savings challenge on the back. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Awesome. So each month is going to look just like that. Don't go broke trying to look rich. Love that. Financial freedom is not a dream, it's a decision. Ooh. I'd love to hear how many of you keep track of your expenses and your budget and things in an actual paper planner. This is a new layout. I'm kind of digging it. I think it's interesting. I'd be interested to hear how people would like to track what they're spending on here. Save money and money will save you. I like that there's a savings goal on each one. By the way, double-sided dividers. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Yeah, that makes sense. Budgeting is not about limiting yourself. It is about making things that excite you possible. These are great quotes. Too much month at the end of the money. That's funny. So true on those long months. Me, I'm on a budget. Also me, buys a coffee I don't need. Yeah, that happens. That's been known to happen before. Budgeting is the first step towards financial freedom. It's true. I like the illustrations this time around. They're beautiful. Count every dollar. It's pretty. Why does my budget always look better on paper? Oh my goodness, that is so true. My budget is beautiful on paper. Every budgeted dollar is a step towards financial freedom. Welcome to adulting, where every dollar has a job and a coffee is a line item. It's very true. That's funny. That's a beautiful planner. It is undated, so you can start it whenever. It's gorgeous. It's really, really pretty and great for those budget goals. Now, to go along with the planner, there are some different inserts you can get. So this is the budget expansion pack. This is going to be, let's just take a look. Some different trackers and things like that. You have the debt tracker, more debt trackers. This might be good if you don't want to do the whole big budget planner. Just getting the extension packs would be great for goals. Expense tracker, that's great for travel, by the way. Expense tracker, that's kind of nice. Online order tracker, yes. That's very helpful. Pay in 4 tracker, a bunch of those. Then you have some savings goals, savings tracker, saving towards different goals. I kind of dig the insert, not gonna lie. Like, I'm not sure that I would want the full budget planner every month, but I think I would be able to use these on a regular basis. So I kind of like that. And then we have the paycheck, budget, and cash envelope budget sheet. So let's see what this looks like. So paycheck budget, payday. Here's your income, variable expenses, bills, and fixed expenses. So this is tracking your budget, and it's the same on both sides. So based on each, instead of doing like a month at a time, maybe this is 2 weeks at a time, or however long you get per paycheck. Okay, so you get a bunch of those. Oh, and here's the cash envelope. Let's check and see what those look like. Cash envelope budget. Oh, so these are different ones. Okay, cash envelope budget, payday, income, cash needed, and then envelope category. So groceries or gas or whatever. Date added, cash spent, and what's remaining. Now, to go along with this, I know a lot of people love using the cash envelopes. Heather also has these. These are disc-bound envelope systems in some different colors. Love that you can have some cards here in the front, and then these little pieces, you can just put your money right in here. Now, it doesn't seal, but I think the cash will stay in here, and once you close it up, it's going to be pretty darn secure. Love that. A bunch of different envelopes in here, really helpful, and obviously it goes really well. So I find the cash envelope system very intriguing. It's not something that I've done before, just because I just haven't done the effort to really get it set up, but I know there are people that use it all the time, and this could be really helpful. I like that she's having these variations of the inserts that work for different people that budget in different ways, because especially when it comes to something like budgeting and money, we all have different systems that work for us. And so I think Heather's doing a good job of trying to find solutions for every different type of system, which is fantastic. So don't forget she has the envelope system, and I love that it's on discs because we all love a good disc-bound system. So envelopes as well. Then there are these cuties. These are new dashboard dividers. I love the printed dashboard dividers that Heather has been developing. These are to pop into your planner to help you find certain things. So maybe this is where your savings is. So you have your little piggy bank right here. How cute is he? And then you might pop this one in for what's happening this week, like this current week. And maybe you have one that's tracking debt, that type of thing. So love these and getting to use them. They just pop into your planner and then they stick out the edge and you can label the top to find where you are trying to get to. Love all of these. Are super cute, by the way. She does such a good job. That is fun. Love and very cute. So that is very cute and goes perfectly with that whole system. Also, we have 2 brand new sticker books that are going to coordinate Bill Basics Volume 4. This is a great sticker book. I'm not going to flip through this whole one. It has bills due in total. It's just really helping you keep track of all of the bills. These are made to go throughout your planner, maybe in your monthly layout, wherever you like to keep track, and you're going to see it in all of the colors, which is fantastic. Love that. And then we have Budget Basics Volume 3. And this is going to go with the planning system. You have some decorative stickers. Love. Things you might be saving for, like a renovation, a car. You're going to end up with both decorative stickers and functional stickers, 2 pages of those. Then all of these, bill due, pay in 4 payments, saved, stuff envelopes, credit card due, payday. Love that. Monthly budget. Oh, like work on your monthly budget. Great. Things you're paying towards, bill due, no spend, payday, phone bill, save. What does this one say? Treat myself, water, mortgage, internet, house rent, groceries, gas, electricity, credit card, and car payment. Lots of little icons. Party, dinner party, doctor appointment, workout, lashes, groceries and shopping, spa day, shopping, nails appointment, movie night, browse, coffee time, and cleaning. Some great functional stickers in the beautiful pinks. They go perfectly. If you know anything about Kellofaplan, you know that these are going to fit perfectly in your planner because she does such a fantastic job of making sure things match up. Love. All the functionality is absolutely perfect. These work great in the monthly layout. Savings challenge, weekly savings goal, weekly payments, savings challenge. Very cool. Love that. Monthly expenses, what and how much I spent. That's nice to track in the monthly layout. That's kind of cool. Love those in all the colors. Enough for the whole year. I feel like, does anyone else feel like you could set up your whole budget planner for the whole year? Because we often know when our paydays are and when the bills are due. Like that's probably already set. Lots more bill ones, all in these colors. And then these are all extra tiny stickers. You have rent, car, student loan, all the different insurances, donations, childcare, IRA, Patreon, allowance, pest control, CPA, see all the things that you need to just label how much things cost. And then look at this savings tracker. Each coin equals, you get to set the amount and then you get to just keep it in your planner. I love that. That's cute. And then some titles, savings challenge, business expenses, emergency fund, net worth tracker, paycheck budget, payday schedule, that snowball, rainy day fund, holiday savings, tax prep, tax savings, sinking funds. Those are fabulous. Some date stickers, because of course this is an undated planner. So those will come in very handy. And then some inspiration. A lot of the quotes that we saw throughout. I love it. I feel like it's such a thoughtful system. There's pieces that probably work for everybody, bits and pieces. As someone that keeps my budget electronically, I can still see me using the Budget Basics sticker book to organize some things a little bit differently, and then tracking this on, like, having a page just in my actual planner, maybe not taking the full planner, but pulling some of these might work really well. There's just bits and pieces that I would love to piece together to use for my budget and my finances in the next year. Okay, so as a reminder, all of these goodies are going to release on September the 26th. That is a Friday. Set your alarms. This is it's a beautiful set. It's all going to coordinate. It's going to get you excited about working on your finances, which isn't a lot of fun. Let's be honest. It's not a ton of fun. But if you have the pretty things, you're going to be all the more excited to dig in. So those of you that are starting to get set up for the next year or just want to get in control of your finances starting now, that's the beauty of an undated planner. Then make sure to check out this brand new release. Also, let me know down below. I'm always curious because I did just recently take over doing finances in my family. I'd love to hear how everyone does their finances. Are you an electronic person? Do you like the paper system? How do you like to work your budget in your family? Let me know down below what system you use. I'd love to hear how other people are working through that. We are currently working on a Google spreadsheet. That's what's working for us right now, but I feel like taking bits and pieces of this and putting it in my planner may work really well for me as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. And don't forget, I do have the affiliate link for Kellofaplan down below. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.